Most creators lose 30% of potential subscribers by skipping end screens. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add YouTube end screens in under 5 minutes. And I will be using a mobile phone for this tutorial. What you'll learn: what end screens are, step-by-step setup in YouTube Studio, pro tips to maximize clicks and subscribers, common mistakes to avoid. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Create with EJ. If this is your first time here on this channel, I share YouTube tips, growth strategies, and tools to help you grow and succeed on YouTube. So if this sounds like a vibe, please subscribe to this channel and let's grow together. End screens are those clickable elements that appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. They can promote other videos, playlists, your channel, or external websites if you're eligible. And here's why they matter. They keep viewers watching more of your content and convert casual viewers into subscribers. YouTube's algorithm loves this because it increases session watch time. Before we start, here are 3 quick requirements. Your video must be at least 25 seconds long. End screens only work in the last 5-20 seconds. You need to leave some quiet space at the end. Now let's set one up together. First, go to your Chrome browser and type YouTube Studio. Then long press on YouTube Studio. A drop-down menu appears. Click on Open in New tab. Look up where we have your history box with a number. Click on it. You will see the series of tabs you have opened before. Just click on the last tab and wait for it to open your YouTube Studio. Click on Content icon in the left menu. Then select the video you want to add an end screen by clicking on the title. On the right side, you'll see end screen. YouTube will take you to the end screen editor. Under element, you have 4 element types. Video or playlist promotes your content. You can choose a specific video, your latest upload, or best for viewer. Subscribe button viewers to subscribe at the end of your video. Channel promotes another channel. Great for collaborations. Link only available if you're in the YouTube Partner Program. It could be links to your website or approved URLs. Click on the subscribe button if you want to remind them to subscribe at the end of your video. Click on video to add the video you want. When it appears, you can drag and drop where you want. See how I'm positioning them? Leave some breathing room. Don't overcrowd. Drag these handles to change the timing. Always use the preview function. This shows you exactly how it looks on desktop and mobile. Okay. Mobile viewers see a slightly different layout, so check both. Happy with it? Click Save in the top right. Done. Your end screen is now live. Always leave the last 8 to 10 seconds of your video as outrow space, okay? Remember, 70% of YouTube views are on mobile. Those end screen elements look bigger on phones, so don't place them too close together, okay? Here are the mistakes to avoid. First mistake: covering your face or important content. If you're still talking at the end, viewers can't see you through the end screen elements. Second mistake: not leaving quiet time. Your video should naturally wind down before end screens appear. And now it's time for you to start adding end screen to both your new and old videos. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. And if you are serious about growing on YouTube, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching. Please try to also watch the other videos. See you in my next one. Bye for now.